place I get here and I get
This guy over here is a blue dasher. The blue dasher is a type of dragonfly, like the green emerald hawk, and lives in. Oh, it starts his life in his land as a dragon nymph, and it eats mosquito larvae. And when it's an adult, they'll eat grown-up mosquitoes.
Yeah.
You know, and drink is one of the fastest insects in the world. Blue dashers are one of the fastest insects in the world. And
it's a good osprey area here.
Yeah,
these guys, be fast to catch mosquitoes. You can identify like dragonflies because they have 4 sets of wings. 4 sets of wings.
Enjoy your hike.
Wings, and they live in water habitats like swamps, wetlands, and marshes. And the predators of these guys are birds, lizards, frogs, and young alligators.